Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Stock Market Cash Flow. My name's Alfonso, and I'd just like to let everyone know the reason why I created this channel. I've always had a passion for the stock market. I've been studying various investments for years. I also trade options, and I'm pretty good at it. But my channel is to inform, to educate, and to make my viewers aware of the assets that are available that can create passive cash flow income streams. Because a lot of people probably don't even know, I bet a majority of the population probably don't even know a lot of these assets even exist. They eat at these places, they shop, they buy their products, they use their services, and have no idea that, you know what I'm saying, all you got to do is just open up you a simple brokerage account and start buying shares in these companies, and shoot, over time you keep investing, reinvesting your dividends. And every time you get, some cash, you get a bonus from work, you get a tax return, anything, a stimulus check, anything. Invest that money, and it will grow. But you got to keep investing. You can't spend the money once the cash flow starts to flow. Don't spend it. Reinvest it so to create more cash. And once it gets to the point to where you're comfortable and it's self-sustainable and that cash flow is able to take care of you and your family, okay, by all means, go ahead and turn on that spigot and let it flow like water out the kitchen sink, out the sink, because that's my goal. That's what I'm striving for. I want money to flow like water out the kitchen sink without me having to do anything for it, but probably sit in front of this computer and tell y'all about these assets. My goal is to become a millionaire. I got a long ways to go, but I'm not going to ever give up on that goal. And once I hit the millionaire status, I'm going to keep striving to become a multi-millionaire. I'm never going to ever give up on my goals. Might as well strive for something, right? Because if you don't have goals and you're not chasing some kind of dream, you're just existing. But let me quit rattling. Without further ado, let's get to some numbers. The company in focus today it's in the financial sector. AllianceBernstein Holding L.P. AllianceBernstein is a publicly owned investment manager. Ticker symbol AB. AB was founded in 1987 and is based in New York, New York. This company is 33 years old. The company profile will be in the description box below, so you guys can read about it down there. It has a current share price of $26.30. It's actually selling at over a 27% discount from its high of $36.06 back in February on the 20th. It has a 52-week high of $36.06. It has a 52-week low of $13.24. It has an average volume over 674K. So that means it's not widely traded. When a equity is trading in the millions on a daily basis, that means there's a lot of activity. So when it's in the thousands, there's not a lot of trading going on. More holding than actual trading. It has a market cap of over $2.56 billion. Has an insider ownership of 6.59%. Over 21% of the shares are held by institutions. Currently there's 239 institutions holding shares. AB paid his first dividend back in 1990. That's a 30-year track record of paying shareholders, which is really good. AB currently pays an annual dividend of $2.56 per share with a dividend yield of 10.14%. Most recent quarterly dividend payment was made to shareholders of record on Thursday, May 28th, 2020. Now listen close. AB has a payout ratio of over 100%, which is not good, but they're still paying. So, and it has like a huge institutional ownership. So I don't think all these institutions would be holding shares if they don't think they can get their money. So I just thought I'd put that out there. The payout ratio is way past the threshold. Okay, let's get to some cash flow numbers here. If you invested $1,000 in AB at its current yield, it would generate $25.35 every 3 months in passive cash flow. You invested $5,000. $5,000 would generate $126.75 every 3 months in passive cash flow. And you invested $10,000. It would generate $253.50 every 3 months in passive cash flow. $100,000 invested generates $2,535 every 3 months in passive cash flow. Now for the big money. You got $1 million and you invested in AB at its current yield. You would gross $25,350 every 3 months in passive cash flow. That's some serious money. And that concludes this episode of Stock Market Cash Flow. Please leave comments in the box below. Like, share, subscribe. Helps this channel to grow. And I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all be safe. Peace.